How to cancel Apple Music without losing your entire library. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to cancel Apple Music without losing your entire library. First, open your iPhone settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Then select subscriptions. Next, find Apple Music in your subscriptions list and tap it. After that, click Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. Now here is the important part. Before your subscription ends, make sure Sync Your Library is turned on in your music settings. This helps keep your song and playlist safe to your account. After that, your Apple Music's access will continue until the billing period ends. During this time, your library is still available. Once your subscription expires, you will not be able to play songs, but your playlists and saved music are not immediately deleted. Then, if you decide to subscribe again later using the same Apple ID, your library can come back, especially if you return within a certain time. For example, you can cancel today and after 1 month, you subscribe again using the same account. Your playlist and saved song can still be restored. Tip: take screenshots or back up your playlist just in case so you have a copy of your music. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.